Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, we will be learning how to change your name in Knives Out application. To change your name in Knives Out, open up the Knives Out game on your device and from the main screen, tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. Now, from your profile section, tap on the little pencil icon at the top right corner and click on Personal Information. Inside Personal Information page, tap the pencil button right next to your name at the top and it'll show you Rename Card option that will be used to rename your character's name. You must have a rename card first in order to change the name. You can also buy the rename card by tapping the buy button at the bottom right corner. In order to purchase the rename card, you'll need to spend 90 gold. If you've got 90 gold on your account, you can simply tap on the buy button and once you have the rename card, you can easily change your name on your account. So that's how you can easily change your name in Knives Out. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.